another video, or welcome to my channel. So today we'll be doing episode 3 of how I use my inserts, and this week's insert talk is about weekly inserts. So what weeklies I have, it's like 22 weeklies currently in my shop. I may be adding some more. I try to add more inserts weekly, or at least bi-weekly. So let's begin. So first is Pocket Week 01. We have, it's a 5-day week, so this was made for my work day because I work from Monday to Friday, so I just choose, my work planner is more like Monday to Friday, so I just took that Saturday and Sunday out and have this as the weekly. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then a to-do list on the side. This is a pretty simple weekly, as you can see right here. So this is Pocket Week 01. All these inserts are gonna be in pocket size. As I said earlier in my early episodes, that this is what I use currently, or what I use every single day. Next is a Pocket Week 02. This is a Monday to Sunday. We also have Monday and Sunday starts, as you know that my shop does do that. We have our Monday to Sunday calendar, a to-do list, and a note section where you can track your habits, a quote of the day, or whatever you want really here, for stickers, the way you want. I think I do have a weekly insert that I use. I can show you guys if I can find it in here, because usually I do throw out my weekly, so I don't keep it, but I'm starting to keep it more often, so I don't have this one. I think I threw out the weekly for this. So Pocket Week 02. Next we have a week on 2 pages. I can see right here. It's a Monday to Sunday start only. This is Monday start only. Since Saturday and Sunday is together, we do not have a Sunday start for this. It's only a Monday start. So this is Pocket Week 03. This is a week on 2 pages. So on your left side, you have your to-do list, a checklist, your trackers here, Monday to Sunday, and then your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then another to-do list. So it does, if you have lots of to-do lists during that week, you can put it on both sides. So this is a week 03. I think I do have insert that I'm currently using that I can show you how I use this. So currently this is how I'm using it. I finally started adding some stickers. Usually I'm really minimal. I used to use pens. As you can see right here, we have our checklist, to-do list, and your trackers. Your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and right here. So this is Pocket Week 03. And also on my Instagram, Yourpaperandlineco, you can find some people using my inserts, so you can see how it looks. So that one was Pocket Week 03. And here's another close-up of this week on 2 pages. So next we have our Pocket Week 04. This is also a week on 2 pages. So you have your track list, to-do list here, your trackers, and also on the same side. This is for only Monday starts. You can see that Saturday and Sunday is together. I do not have an insert of this that I'm using because, as I said earlier, that I've thrown my inserts out, but now I'm trying to keep my inserts so I can film videos of showing you guys how I use it. Maybe when I have my weeklies, I'm going to do an updated weekly insert of how I use it. This is a Pocket Week 04. Next is a week on 1 pages. So Pocket Week 05. So here you have your priorities, your week of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Also Monday and Sunday start. I do believe I have a insert that I use for this one. Yes, I do. So usually my inserts are really minimal. I just use black pen, and sometimes I do use some trash can stickers that I create myself right here. It's such a cutie. So this is how it looks week on 1 page. So usually I use a week on 1 page when I'm not busy that week or don't have any things to have to pay, then I usually do use a week on 1 page. So this is how it looks when it's empty. Pocket Week 05. Next we have a Pocket Week 06. So this is a Monday star, also have a Sunday star. I'm showing all my inserts on Monday star because this is what I use. It's Monday to Sunday, and then you have some trackers down here, and then month of, you put the day, whatever, and this week's top 3, so your top 3 priorities or whatever you want for that week, or like a top 3 quote, 1 week of a quote or something. And I need to do this on the side. So this is a week on 2 pages. Let me see if I have a weekly that's used with this, but I don't think so. I used this for one of the weeks, but then I threw it out. No, I do not, but I'll show you guys when I use it. You can also find these on Instagram because I do post my Instagram layouts on my chrissy.plans, so you can find me there, or you can link it down below. So this is Pocket Week 06. Next is a Pocket Week 7, so you can use this as a week on 1 page or a week on 2 pages depending on you. Sometimes I do use the whole week, or sometimes I do use only 1 page of it, because this is meant to be combined, but then sometimes I just don't, I only use one side for that week and then the next week on the other side. So this is a weekly planner week of Monday. You put your categories here, like your personal, work, and then you list down all the weeks that you do. I did use it, but I think I used it in a way that, so here, I used it on 2 weeks. So as you can see right here, I have personal and work, and then I put my work, which is what I had that week, and then what I'm doing for my personal life. So this is January 4th to 10th, 2021. I just used for that 1 week, and then for the second page I used it for the other week, so 11 to 17. So personal and work. That's how I use it. Or you can use it together as a whole week. So you have personal, work, some like home stuff or other stuff that you want to do or others, and then you put this all together. But I decided to use these 2 weeks as individual weeks. So this is Pocket Week 07. Here's a blank version of this. So we on our horizontal week, Pocket Week 08. So here you see a horizontal week, so Monday, Sunday notes, also Monday and Sunday start right here. I think I do have an insert that I used it, but let's see. This is pretty simple, right to the point. Let me see if I do have a week that I used it. I do not. But as you can see, it's pretty simple. You just put your to-do stuff there, whatever, and then you just work on your week. So this is Pocket Week 08 in horizontal. This is a week on 1 page. So we have our Pocket Week 09. So right here we have a week on 2 pages. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. As you can see right here, it's pretty simple. I think I do have a insert that I use this for that I can show you. So here it is. It's pretty simple and right to the point. I just write the stuff I need to do. And then that. So this is a week on 2 pages. So this is Pocket Week 09. On to Pocket Week 10. So this is a week on 1 page. As you can see, we have Monday to Sunday. Also Monday and Sunday start you can want your week, the week of the week, or whatever, and priorities, and then your task and your notes. As you can see right here. I think I did use this insert. If I did save it, hopefully I did, but if I didn't, yes I did. So here's how I used it. It's pretty simple. I also use it for another week. So this is a week on 1 page, so Pocket Week 10. Next is a similar from week 10. This is Pocket Week Custom, Pocket Week 10 Custom. So this is, I just changed the week out to something like this because this was a custom request, so I did change it, and then it's also up in my Etsy. The only thing that's changed about it is the week of, so it's based on your style. The other one was centered and this was unaligned. So next we have pocket week 11, and this is a week on 2 pages. So you have your weekly planner here, the to-do notes, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then a whole notes bar for you. Let me see. I do not have something that I use this with, but as you can see, it's pretty right to the point. That was pocket week 11, and then this is pocket week 12. So this is a week on 2 pages. This is mostly just lined. You have your weekly planner right here, some notes section, to-do list, your notes, another note section, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then a whole grid for you to write in. So now we're on to pocket week 12. So this is a week on 2 pages. As you can see here, we have our weekly plans, and then kind of like a quote of the day note section, a to-do list, and then a note section right here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then a grid section right here. So this is a Monday start one, but we also have a Sunday start. As you can see, this is a week on 2 pages. So this pocket week should be 12. So next we have a pocket week 13. This is also a week on 2 pages. As you can see right here, we have our weekly planner. You put your date right here, and then a Monday to Sunday schedule thing you can put for your specific days, and then a to-do list, and then this is the start of the week. So Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and a note section down here for you to write whatever, or a code section, either your decision. So this is the pocket week 13, a week on 2 pages. Next is pocket week 14, and then this is also another week on 2 pages. These past couple times, these grids are a little bit bigger than compared to the previous ones. So here's your weekly plan, or week of, you put the week up here, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and a to-do list right here for you. Pretty minimal, simple, and right to the point. And then you have 2 lines where you can put some notes, quote of the day, etc., like a sticker, washi tape, whatever your choice. So this is a pocket week 14, and a week on 2 pages. We have another week on 2 pages. This is a week 15. This is also pretty simple. Here's a week of, and then you put your times here, and then this is your schedule. So like 5 p.m. I wake up, and then it's Monday, and I'm working or something, working out for the rest of the week. So Monday to Sunday, and then a to-do list right here that you don't have time or day that you want to do on. A week on 2 pages, week 15. Next we have a pocket week 16. Should be 16, yes. This is a week on 2 pages. As you can see, weekly plan, you put your weekly dates here, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So here's a to-do list, and down here you can put whatever you want. It's not, or you can fill up whole Thursday. It's up to you, really up to you. I think I do have one that I use, I think, or not. I do not, but then on my Instagram, you see people how they use this insert, and it's really, really pretty. So this is the week on 2 pages, and this is pocket week 16. Next we have from the pocket week 1, this is a full week, so Monday to Sunday, or Sunday to Saturday. So it's just as the original one. For pocket week 01, this is just a full week, and then your to-do list is right here on the right side. This is the week on 1 page. Next we have a horizontal week, pocket week 18. This is the week on 2 pages, so you can see right here, Monday a checklist, Tuesday checklist, Wednesday checklist, Thursday checklist, and then you will have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then a grid section. I can show you what I did. So I had this, so you can see right here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we have a completed or written filled in aspect. That's what you can see right here. And then right here. So that one was pocket week 18. So this is a horizontal week on 2 pages. So pocket Pocket Week 18. So next we have Pocket Week 19. So this is a week on 2 pages. We have a calendar here, Monday start and Sunday start, a check, a note section, whatever section you guys want it to here. So there's a grid section right here, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and a to-do list. And I think I do have a insert that I use that should be off from this. Possible, yes. So here it is. This is how I used it for that week. So sometimes during my paydays, there's more things I gotta do. It depends. I use some stickers here and there. Sometimes I don't use my work from home stickers, even though I work from home for the past year or so. So this is Pocket Week 19 filled out. This is Pocket Week 19. We're close to the end. So we have Pocket Week 20. This is also another week on 2 pages. So you have your weekly plan and then your time schedule here. So Monday to Sunday, also Sunday to Monday. Sunday start, your to-do list, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, and then a tracker. So here. Next we have a week on Pocket Week 21. This is a week on 1 page. This is similar from week 20, but I just separated that. I only kept the schedule and the to-do. I took out the right side. So here it is, similar to the week 20, but then this is only has a schedule and a to-do list. And lastly, we have Pocket Week 22. This is a week on 1 page. So we have Monday and Sunday start as always. Your priorities, your task, your checklist, your meals of the day, or the week, sorry, and then your tracker. Pretty simple right here. That's all. Let's go back from the beginning and I'll show you guys the 22 inserts for weeklies. A pretty quick run through again for you guys to see. This is Pocket Week 01, Pocket Week 02, Pocket Week 03, Pocket Week 04, Pocket Week 05, Pocket Week 06, Pocket Week 07, Pocket Week 08, so this is a horizontal week, Pocket Week 09, Pocket 10, Week 10, Pocket Week 10 Custom, Pocket Week 11, Pocket Week 12, Pocket Week 13, Pocket Week 14, Pocket Week 15, Pocket Week 16, Pocket Week 18, 17, I think, 16, 17, Pocket Week 17, Pocket Week 18, Pocket Week 19, Pocket Week 20, Pocket Week 21, and then Pocket Week 22. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.